This is Christine Crowell, and I've been in healthcare for over 35 years, and I've seen this sector rise and I've seen it fall through multiple government cuts, economic downturns, and staffing crises. But what I see right now is different. We used to believe that healthcare jobs were for life, right? You thought you got a job in healthcare or a government organization job, you would think that this job was for life. But with these latest changes in funding cuts, even healthcare roles aren't safe anymore like we used to think. Government roles were safe, healthcare roles were safe. That's why I've created my 24 AI healthcare agency, agents, specifically designed for small to medium-sized businesses in healthcare, like yours. These aren't just chatbots that I'm talking about. I am not just an AI agency. I am a specialized AI automation, architectural, business growth, transformation expert. Now, these are full AI powered assistants that help you keep going even as funding is slashed and staffing becomes unpredictable. Now, from automating and timesheets, onboarding, rotoring, recruiting, even down to answering your telephone and making calls to potential clients, answering calls for your business. We have created all of the AI agents that you could possibly need in your business, your healthcare business. Now, I'm not here to say replace everyone's job, but the things which are repetitive, that are stressful, that is causing you financial strain, then that's something that you need to look at as a responsible business owner, to not wait until it gets bad. Act now so that you're prepared, so that you're ahead of the game, basically. So this is why I'm talking to you in this video today, so that you can start making your plans right now, right here, today. So I help you as well with our AI agents that we've implemented. It will help you to reduce overwhelmed staff. It will also help you with revenue and also compliance issues as well. We do not want to wait to see if there's going to be more funding. We can't wait for these things to get better. We need to act now. All isn't lost. This is an opportunity to really reform and transform into the AI world. It's here. We live in it every single day. So why are you not acting if you haven't done so already? AI isn't just about luxury, it's a necessity. It's here for life. It is a lifetime thing that we are seeing. So this is why I've created the AI Healthcare Business Bootcamp, and it's for just 4 days. We'll help you build your first AI agent specifically for your healthcare business. I've been in healthcare businesses now for over 35 years. So I know what works well and I know what doesn't work well. So I'm not just an AI agency, I am an AI architect to help you build your business and put systems in place that you need in your business right now for you to grow and to transform. I'm here for transformation. So even if you've never used AI before, you'll have real tools, real systems, and also the clarity that you need to move forward with confidence. So click the link here in the button and book your seat, or even if you want to talk to us, we can create a free AI audit for your organization by talking to you and your team to see what is the struggles, what are the difficulties, but also for you as the business owner, what is costing you a lot of money? What is draining your business right now? So let's make a business that is future proof together. Just click the link here and let's book a call. It is free and you will speak to me directly and we will go through what systems that you need that would help your organizations, AI agents, for example, or join the bootcamp so that you get to know what it is that's involved with AI and how you can help create your systems effectively by knowing what is needed for your healthcare business, because not every healthcare business is the same. So think about that. So I look forward to speaking with you very, very soon. My name is Christine Crowell. I have been in healthcare business for over 35 years, ran my own healthcare businesses, and I've been through recessions. And I don't say this lightly. This is the second recession in business that we are currently going through right now. And this is the reason why for over a year now, I've been talking about AI creation, and I've created 24 AI agents to help you in your healthcare business. I've seen what it does and I see what it can do for you to help you bring your business back to where you want it to be, where you've got that time freedom, doing what you love without the stress, without the worry. Let's help grow your business together. Just book the link here. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and we'll talk to you about the AI Bootcamp that you can attend. Also, we can talk to you about AI audits for your organization. We can also help you to implement AI agents in your business right now. Don't wait for stuff to get really bad. Start acting now. Speak to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.